like what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Always a popular model, no doubt about that. 1969 Buick Electra 225 custom convertible. Listen to this, numbers matching drivetrain. So 430 V8 underneath the hood, and that is the original engine of this car, as well as a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Numbers matching original of this car. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been recharged and blows cold. Take a look at the chrome on the front of this car. And check this out. The grille emblem, although there is a little bit of a chip off the top of that, but it is there and intact. Original paint coat in this car, 77 antique gold poly. 633 trim, so buckskin vinyl interior. It appears the interior is original. The car has had one repaint along the way, and the antique gold poly did have a green cast like this. This might have a tad bit more green, but very similar. And it is an older repaint. Paint does show its age a little bit. You can kind of see where there's some checking. There was some kind of hard water spots. But overall, you step back from this car 4, 5, 6 feet. It has a nice shine to it. It's still going to be a blast driving down the road and turn some heads, no doubt about that. One of those cars, turn the key, get in and go. Go ahead and check out the still pictures and look at the underside. Engine bay, interior, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Buick style rally wheels. Look at that Buick Motor Division center cap. The big drum brakes behind it. Speaking of which, the technician noted the brakes are 90% or better front and rear. Radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches in it. You may find a small imperfection here or there. When we get over to the driver's side, there was a couple things I want to point out. But down this driver's side, looking good. And look at those long panels from the front to the rear and rear back to the front. Again, buckskin vinyl interior, convertible top to match. And I will put the top up so we can check out the condition of that. Seat belt's intact. There was a wear spot over there on that driver's side where it separated a little bit in the vinyl. Otherwise, top of the dash looking good. And we'll get to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper, great shape. Technician also noted it does have newer muffler and tailpipe. There's also the parade boot that will go with it. It does show its age some. It looks like it's probably original. A little bit of staining. There was a hole here. But I will put that back in the trunk and send it along with the car, just so you're aware of that. Power antenna. Power antenna switch is right by the convertible top switch, and that is working. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see over 100 pictures of this car online. And if you like these Buick Electras, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maybe like Buicks in general, go ahead and subscribe. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Did want to point out this little bit of corrosion right down here behind that fender skirt. And there might be a couple spots where there's a little bit of touch-up. I mentioned our YouTube channel. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase. And that can be done either online or right off the showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. For all of you that have subscribed, we thank you. Let's check out this interior a little bit closer, and we're going to start it up, take a peek underneath the hood, and then we'll check out that convertible top. All right, door panel, original door panel. It's got 69 Buick written all over it right there. Power windows, I'll run those up too with the top up so we can check that out. It does have a power seat. That is working, front and back, forward and back. I have the Little carpet protector here. There's not hiding anything underneath there. Check out the still pictures and you'll be able to see the carpeting from every angle. Tilt column. I mentioned that power antenna. I have had that working. I have not gotten the radio, AM, FM cassette radio to power up though. I just want to make you aware of that. All right, let's fire this up. Remember, numbers matching. 430. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Top of the dash. Didn't notice one little star in the windshield. But it runs smooth. Odometer reads 96,338. Did notice it looked like it had new distributor cap and rotor, plug wires, plugs, and listen to how smooth this thing runs. Doesn't that sound just like you'd expect? All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to check out this engine bay. We're going to get this hood open. So let me pause in a second. We'll check it out. There's a good shot at the underside of the hood. It's pretty original. And engine bay, speaking of original. Looks like a little newer master cylinder back here. I mentioned the cap, wires, plugs. You'll be able to see the stamping with the numbers matching from the block and the tranny and the still pics. Mentioned the AC was recharged. That is the 134A fittings, not the R12. Does that ever run smooth and sound good? All right, let me go ahead and get this top up. Let's check out the condition of that. We'll finish up this walk around. We'll get Jason to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I'm guessing it's going to be like driving your couch. All right, power top up. Now, power top works. It needs a little bit of help out of the gates, if you know what I'm saying. Once it gets up about a quarter of the way or so, goes the rest of the way just fine. I'll show you it going back down. But first, let's take a look above the windshield. Nice fit. Mentioned it was vinyl, so it kind of matches the interior. Buckskin vinyl or beige vinyl. Power windows went up fine. Rolled those up so you can see how those fit. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes in this vinyl top. Maybe slight discoloration a little bit just from it being down, but nothing. It's going to stop how it functions. Glass, rear window, and hey, I did run that power antenna up also. You can see that's working. Around to the passenger side. No rips, tears, holes over here either. Really showing very little wear. Side glass up. Looking good. Back to the fit above the windshield. Need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to do the job just fine. I don't think this one's going to last too long, folks. 1969 Buick Electra 225 custom convertible, numbers matching drivetrain. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pics. Remember, I'm going to still show you the top going down. Jason's going to take it for a drive. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1969 Buick Electra. This is a convertible, and it is a two-door. We do have the top up today, as it's a chilly day in Minnesota. Wipers work on this car. Our speedometer appears to be accurate. The fuel gauge is showing almost 3/4 of a tank. We are clock equipped over here. I don't see this second hand counting, but we do have the clock. Blower motor works on this car. Very nice condition car. Seems to be very well maintained. Carpet and seats and dash in good condition. We have one crack in the windshield right here. Looks like a rock got it at some point. This car started up very nicely, idled right away. Plenty of power from that V8 engine. Power steering, of course, from Buick, working very well. Brakes working very well. This actually corners flatter than I would think. For a large car from 1969, it corners well. The kickdown does work on the automatic transmission. A little bit of typical wind noise from this convertible top. Not bad at all. Great running big car. Big in all the good ways. Room for all your friends in the back seat. And even though it's a two-door, a great road tripping car. Take a look at all the pictures of this Buick at uniqueclassiccars.com.